Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper bringing you an analysis of XAUUSD for 6th July 2023. Before we begin our analysis, I want to just recap what analysis we did for yesterday, what was our plan for yesterday, what the plan and the analysis we did yesterday, and how it panned out today. So I'll just play my yesterday's video clip, okay, of what we planned yesterday, and then we'll talk about what happened today, okay. Just gonna play it a little bit faster. Okay, but the main thing which I said was I will attempt to buy near 1920 level, 1925 and 1920 level, and the same thing I had shared with you guys. The trading plan which I shared with you guys, there also I mentioned the same thing. See, this is the 5th July trading plan. Here also, if you will see, I wrote gold is still bullish both on hourly and daily basis, and we will be on the buying side. On daily basis, if my assumption was price came somewhere in this range, then I would attempt to buy. On hourly basis, I had written over here the levels. I will attempt to buy around 1924.25 and 1918 and 1920 levels. So somewhere in this range, I will attempt to buying again. And one more thing I wrote, if gold consolidates around 1930 also, then also I will buy. Okay, so I have covered this part. Now let's go straight to our chart, okay, of gold. Now we'll see what happened today. Okay, so why I was waiting so long for making the video is because I was waiting for the FOMC minutes to come. Okay, and after that make the video. So market has not reacted very sharply, although the dollar index is still rising, and dollar index has risen, and also the 2 year and the 10-year bond especially is up by to more than 2.27%. It is now around 3.94%. Okay, so yeah, so we will analyze what happened today. So today gold, if you will see, in the morning it was somewhere around like 1926 levels, like over here. If you see, gold was in the early morning hours, it was trading here. Okay, and when it came to like around 1924, I bought some quantity over here, and when the price came to around like this region, okay, I again put up a buy order over here with a stop loss of around like first my stop loss was 1920 initial stop loss, which I put it a little bit more deeper, somewhere around like 1916 level. Okay, but gold did not even hit our first stop loss also, and from here onwards, like I mentioned in our plan, in my trading plan, that we will attempt to buy around 1980 1920 level. That's how we did. We bought it, and you see a total v-shaped recovery. It was easily, this gave you a 1 is to 1 rest to 1 is to 1. And by the evening, in the American session, before the American session, the gold consolidated near 1930, and it easily hit our target of 1930, like mentioned over here. Even if gold consolidates around 1930, we will attempt a buy, and exactly that's how it panned out. Okay, so our analysis did work. Okay, but then after that I took a resistance around 1935, like I told you in my video, previous day video, you can see my video as well. It took a resistance and it fell down. Okay, and it is still now coming down. Okay, so it seems maybe the market has taken negatively the report. Okay, the FOMC minutes. So what is our plan for tomorrow? Let's go to our favorite chart, which is the hourly chart. Okay, so now gold has, you can say, formed a sort of like a triple top. Okay, see here, this is a triple top, not double top, triple top. So this is clearly a negative sign. Okay, this triple top pattern, and gold has made also a price action, and it is after making a price action also, it is coming down. Okay, so I'll show you the price action part. For that, we'll use our favorite tool, which is Fibonacci. Okay, so from the top to the bottom, if I draw a Fibonacci, okay, of this move, so you will see gold, retraced till 0.382 level, and now the downfall is continuing. Okay, now so this is basically right now, after a double top, a price action is also established. It is now coming down, gold. Okay, so what can we do now? Okay, now now it's below 1920. It has made a price action also. Okay, I want it to make it has made a price action here also. If you'll see in the smaller time frame, yes, it gave a pullback and it is coming down. Okay, it's now become below 1920. It's become weak and it's become a sort of sell on rise right now. So what we can do is, after this pullback, we'll wait for this retracement to complete. Okay, and it give a pullback, and wherever once it starts pulling back, we'll draw the Fibonacci and see at what level. Now, for example, I'll just draw here. Okay, let's say gold retraces till like 1910 levels. Okay, if gold retraces till 1910 levels, we'll expect a pullback somewhere in the region of like 1915 to 1920. And when price comes in this region, we will try to sell it. Okay, or let's say if gold comes till here. Okay, let's say gold comes from this breakdown, it comes till here and then retraces. Okay, so somewhere in this case, we will try to sell gold somewhere between 1918 to 1921 range. Okay, so that when gold comes here, the pullback completed, and I'll just draw it for you guys also, so you can understand what I mean. Okay, so this is the arrow. So okay, so first I'll draw this step by step so you guys will get it. Okay, so here was the major first, the sell, 1 second. So here was the first sell off came, and you can see gold took a support, gave a pullback. So from here, gold gave a pullback like this. Okay, and after giving a pullback like this over here, okay, now it took a from here, the sell off now is continuing. Okay, so what, now it's become weak and it's become a sell on rise, and also a price action has also become established. So what we are waiting for, ultimately, we want to see where it is retracing from. If it is retracing from this level, okay, and price comes near, let's say from 1915 it retraces. Okay, so now I'll just delete it. Okay, now I will take the Fibonacci. Okay, let's say from here, from 1915, gold decides to retrace. Okay, and I won't consider this level, I'll consider now this one. From here, the pullback came and gold went down. So now the 0.61 case, 618 level, and the point 0.5 level comes somewhere around like, and the 0.382. All these levels are in between 1919 to 1921. So what, when gold price makes a pullback, like let's say it pulls back like this, okay, after this down move tomorrow morning. Okay, so somewhere in this region, that is 1919 to 1921, I'll just draw it here. Over this region, we will attempt a sell, and when we attempt a sell, our target first TP1 would be this. Okay, and the second TP2 will come around 1910. Okay, this will be our target for tomorrow. Okay, so this is how we are going to plan tomorrow, because if the price action has now become established. Okay, and this is how we are planning to trade tomorrow. If let's say gold manages to close above this level, gives a pullback, and it is sustaining about 1920, then definitely this pattern can again reverse and go up also. Okay, but uh, mainly right now we will think of sell on rise only, we will not think on buy on sell market. Okay, so that is our plan for tomorrow. A more detailed description of the plan will be sent on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link is there on YouTube, you can look at there as well. And one more scenario I will describe. Okay, I am expecting it should take a support somewhere around 1915. If let's say that 1915 support fails, and let's say gold falls till 1910 level, here though it will definitely take, because 1910 is the daily Fibonacci level of like 0.016, sorry, 0.618 level. Okay, this level. Okay, so so max target we should keep somewhere around here only. But let's say this I mean, the price falls till here. Okay, then what we need to do? We need to, when we need to wait for a pullback. Pullback, let's say somewhere around this level. Okay, so we can start shorting around 1915 level. Okay, but the if you'll see the Fibonacci levels, okay, Fibonacci levels are coming around 1920 to 1916 area, roughly over here. In this particular area, wherever prices we can short, okay, roughly with a like $4 to $5 stop loss from here, okay, and the target should be like this over here, okay. So this is our game plan. This is a sell on rise market. As long as price doesn't come above 1920, or doesn't sustain above 1920, we will try to sell the market rather than buying the market. Or we need to see a positive price action. Okay. So that's my analysis for tomorrow. Thank you, and have a great day. If you like my video, do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries, you can contact me through my Telegram channel as well. Do share it with your friends who are trading gold, so you know it can be helpful for them also. Thank you, and have a great day then.